Hi, my name is Miss Margarita and I am with the Greater Valley YMCA. Today we're going to learn a little bit about rain. What are some things that you can tell me about why it rains? What is one reason why you think it rains? Well, the clouds actually get very, very heavy and can't hold in the moisture anymore, and it has to go somewhere, so it comes down. So when you see the sky full of clouds, there is a chance that it's going to rain, but sometimes it doesn't. What has to happen is there has to be a lot of moisture, precipitation in the clouds, and they cannot hold it anymore. So I'm going to show you a science experiment that you can do at home using a jar full of water or maybe a large glass. And then you can put that's shaving cream. Some shaving cream on top of the water. And it's going to sit there. And that water is like our air all around above the earth. And the clouds are up above us. And this blue dye that I'm going to put in is going to be the moisture that the clouds hold in them. So has to be a lot of it. And now, what do you see happening in the jar? Maybe I'll turn it around this way. Do you see here how the blue dye is slowly coming down? It's coming down into what we call our atmosphere. And that is how rain comes down out of the cloud and onto the earth. Pretty cool. Thank you so much for joining me. I will have a project that we can make if you join me in my next video. Thank you.